Ma'am, do you think the current Indian media laws are sufficient to regulate the fast-growing digital media?
No, in the current scenario, there are, I should say, there are loopholes in the legal framework, keeping in mind the digital mushrooming of media. So I think there is scope for improvement, and the legislators have this responsibility to fill up the gap in the media laws.
What message would you like to give to students aspiring to become responsible journalists?
Only journalists, or you mean legal journalists?
Both.
Both. In both the cases, I think the students who are studying media right now, they should know first the law of the country, and also specifically the media laws, because if they go into the journalism arena, they have to know, because otherwise they may have to face cases. And another thing is that while reporting, there are many things that have to be kept in mind. So in both the cases, they must know the media laws and laws of the country.
Thank you, ma'am. In your experience, what is the most pressing legal or ethical challenge faced by journalists today?
Fake news, I think.
If you could share one piece of advice with the next generation of journalists, what would it be?
Be sincere in what you do, and please keep in mind that in a country like India, which is a developing country, you have responsibility. So don't take journalism as a job opportunity, but as a service to the people.